Here is an exercise for you to practice switch statement. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. So here is an example solution. Let month, for example, is 2, and let season for now is empty. So let's switch based on a month. And the first criteria are for winter. So December, January, and February. So case 12, case 1, and case 2, the season will be winter. And then break to prevent cold fall through. The second group is spring. So for cases 3, 4, and 5, the season is spring. And then break. For cases 6, 7, and 8, the season is summer. And the last group will be case 9 to case 11. The season is then fall. And for the default case, let's set season to invalid month, for example. And then console log, the season is season. And we can test some cases. For example, 9 for September is fall, 7 for July is summer, and 3 for March is spring.